Hello everybody. In the current affairs this week, the week ended 6th of July 2025. The foremost news this week was SEBI has banned the US-based stock trading firm Jane Street. Jane Street has been a huge trader in Indian equity markets and it has made a profit of 36,500 crores between January 2023 to March 2025. In my understanding, this would be a profit which would be higher than any of the financial institutions operating in the Indian capital markets. The order passed by SEBI alleges that Jane Street indulged in market manipulation to make these huge profits. In its order, it has said that it is going to impound some 4,800 crores of Jane Street's profits which it has made by these manipulative activities. Earlier, SEBI had released the data that 91% of the F&O traders lose money, and as we all know that F&O trade is a zero-sum game. So when all these 91% of these F&O traders lose money, the gainers are these kinds of big-time, high-frequency HFT traders. And these strategies which are played by these HFTs are much beyond the reach, understanding and the play of those small traders. So the message once again for everybody is loud and clear that all these small traders, or for that matter anybody, should avoid these kinds of F&O speculative activities and look at stock markets as a place to invest and build wealth. The another important news was this week Prime Minister Modi went for a diplomatic marathon covering 2 continents. He has started his tour from Ghana in West Africa, then Trinidad and Tobago in the Caribbean, Argentina and Brazil in South America, and lastly, Namibia in Southern Africa. These tours are aimed at deepening India's ties in trade, defense, energy, critical minerals, and global governance through the initiatives like BRICS. This is one of the, or rather the most extensive tour of the Indian Prime Minister in last 10 years. These kinds of tours in geographies and countries which are not very much frequented by the Indians and the Indian business community are very important, that it opens up newer markets and newer horizons for the Indian community, maybe in terms of travel and definitely in terms of business. The stock markets this week and the global commodity markets this week were sideways, no net great movement. But the US markets, Nasdaq was up by 1.63% and S&P 500 was up by 1.75%. That is all for this week. Thank you.